Diba, alam, it all started with the comments ng mga netizens, no? Don Bell. Kasi di ba, nagsimula ito nung last week, no, in-announce na yung mga judges ng PGT, kung saan si Robbie ay host, no, kasama si Melay Cantiveros. Ang mga judges ay kasama sila Uge, Eugene Domingo, si Donnie Pangilinan, siyempre ang baby ko Don, crush ko yun eh. Tsaka itong si Catherine Bernardo with FMG, Freddy Garcia. So ngayon, siyempre pakilig lang sa audience because parang tinatry out yata ng Star Magic or ABS-CBN na parang titignan ko may chemistry si Donnie at saka si Catherine. Tulad na kay Catherine dati with Daniel Padilla when she tried out with other leading men, ay nag-click siya. Yeah, with Alden Richards and whoever. Kumbaga, ganun naman ang mga artista eh. Pero siya, andun pa rin yung Don Bell. Ngayon, nagalit itong mga ibang fans ng Don Bell. Kasi siyempre, gusto nila si Bel Mariano maging makatuloy at ni Donnie. Wala naman problema doon. Normal yan sa mga fans eh. Kaya ang ginawa niya, he opted to really find time to go to the cybercrime division ng NBI para mag-file na ng complaint because of the threats that he has received sa mga phones sa kanyang social media accounts and everything. Kasi ang katwiran niya, wala naman problema with him eh. Pero ang mamahal niya sa buhay, what if, halimbawa, sa labas, halimbawa, may kausap ka, akala mo may mga shows kayo, but may konti, sinuntok ka na lang. Or if not, sabi niya, yung halimbawa, yung mamahal sa buhay, baka ganun yung gawin sa kanila, baka saktan sila.
Sabi ni I am Robbie Domingo, I visited the NBI today and met with Chief Bomediano and Attorney Tukay. Thank you for answering all my questions.
Thank you.
Here's what I learned. You can file a complaint against any government agency, especially if your safety is at risk. Always take screenshots of your complaint and the URL. Even if it's deleted, the digital trace is still there. If someone deletes it, it could show intent. Whether it's a troll or not, there's a real person behind the screen and they still are responsible for their actions. Remember, every action has consequences. Whether online or offline, let's be kind and take responsible for all the actions that we have.
Actually, tama naman siya. But pero trolls will be trolls. Trolls will be trolls.